Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm a senior instructional designer at Landing AI. Let's say you recently trained your model and analyzed its performance. Your model isn't performing as well as you'd like, so you want to improve its performance. LandingLens offers several techniques to do just that. In this video, I'll share 8 techniques to improve your model. The metrics displayed in the model report display based on the data that is currently being filtered. By default, the metrics after model training are for the entire dataset. You can filter to see the metrics for each dataset. By filtering to the dev or test set, you will see a more realistic number of what you may see in production. This gives you an idea of what to fix. Whether you have low precision or low recall, reviewing the incorrect predictions helps provide insight into where your model is making errors. Viewing these images can give you an idea of what next steps you can take to improve model performance. Review incorrect predictions to determine whether low-quality images are contributing to low model performance. If they are, remove those images. It's better to train on a few high-quality images than several low-quality ones. Once you have removed the images, make sure you retrain your model to see the updated metrics. Review incorrect predictions. If you notice that there are missing labels or labels that could be more precise, add and fine-tune them accordingly. Ensuring your labels are accurate and consistent helps develop a functional and reliable model. Review incorrect predictions to see if your model may be having trouble distinguishing between certain classes. You can add clarity by doing one of the following: upload more data, combine multiple classes into one. This method requires you to relabel your images, or use agreement-based labeling to allow multiple users to label the same set of images to analyze the consistency of their labels. Review incorrect predictions to see if you have enough examples of a particular case. If you don't, upload more images of those examples, label those images, and then retrain your model. Uploading more data can also give your model a better chance of distinguishing between confusing classes. When you train a model, LandingLens resizes all images to make training faster and more effective. If the objects of interest you want the model to identify are hard to see in the original images, those objects will get lost during model training. You can set the specific dimensions you want images to be resized to by using Custom Train. To help preserve fine details and features that could be lost otherwise, consider resizing images to either the original image size or a size between the original image size and the default auto resize. When you adjust the confidence threshold, you set a confidence score for your model. This dynamically changes the precision and recall of your model. This can have a precision and recall trade-off, meaning your model may make more detections at the risk of making more mistakes. By adjusting this score, you can balance between accuracy and precision, which can make your model more adaptable during deployment. And those are some techniques to help you improve model performance. Visit the Landing AI Support Center and community for more information.